The Crete-Monee School District 201U is very proud to have our second annual Safety Symposium here at the district. Here we are sharing our story of how we've developed a comprehensive safety and security protocol system in the last 3 to 4 years.
Our local first responders, our police, our fire, our EMS officials all understand what our languages are and our response needs. So our relationships we have with them are so important to help in keeping us safe and our staff feeling like they can do the job academically.
So we've been looking at possibly getting therapy dogs. So having the session on therapy dogs has been very beneficial. Looking into that and how to acquire them and the training they go through, I think will be very beneficial for us.
This is what staff should do. This is what students should do. This is what admin should do. And you can't go probably 5 feet in this building without seeing it posted on a wall. So that's something that we're going to look into replacing what we currently use with something that's more visible and kind of user-friendly.
We are looking forward to having our next conference next year.